Good evening. Now I am going to explain class 9th chapter 1 exercise 1.1 last bit. 9th question is asking you without doing division, say which of these decimal forms are terminating or non-terminating, means repeating. So how to do it means generally this 3 by 25 means we will do division 3 with 25 and we will get some decimal points. After that if you get 0 then it is a terminating decimal. What is the rule without doing division means first you write it 3 by this prime factorization is 5 into 5. So that the denominator prime factorization if a by b, so the prime factorization b is equal 2 power m into 5 power n, or b is equal to only 2 or only 5. So this denominator prime factorization is consists only 2 and 5 or only 2 or only 5. But with these two numbers, any other number is there means that will be a non-terminating repeating. So that we are observing only 5 in this. So this is a terminating decimal. This decimal form will be terminating decimal. If you do division also, after some steps you will get 0 remainder. Like that second one you see. What is the second one? 11 by 18. So 11 by 18 is 18 prime factorization is written as 2 into 3 into 3. So what I said, only 2 or 2 5 or only 5 like that. But here what is there? 2 and 3 is there. So it is non-terminating decimal. It is a non-terminating repeating decimal. This is a non-terminating repeating decimal. If you see 13 by 20. 13 by 20. So 13 by 20 also you can write 4 2 into 5. So what I said, 2 and 5 are only 2 or only 5 in the prime factor. It is a terminating. So the 13 by 20 also, therefore it is a terminating decimal. If you do division also, you will get 0. After some steps, you will get 0 remainder. So last one, that is 41 by 42. So 41 by 42 means it can be written as 2 into 3 into 7. So here also 2 is there, but other numbers 3 and 7 are there. So therefore it is also non-terminating repeating. This decimal form is also non-terminating decimal form. So by using this rule, we will write the decimal forms also directly. After this, in this real number concept, we discuss that rational and irrational together are called real numbers. So next part we have to discuss irrational numbers. What are irrational numbers? You know it is what are rational numbers which can be written in p by q form. Irrational number means what? Which cannot be written in p by q form. So irrational numbers means which cannot be written in p by q form. Which cannot be written in p by q form. We cannot write them in the fractional form. What are those numbers? In this, which numbers do not have square roots? For example, root 2, root 3, so on, root 5. So these are irrational numbers. Another one, non-terminating, non-repeating. Non-terminating, non-repeating. So non-terminating, repeating are what? Rational. So here but non-terminating, non-repeating are irrational. These numbers are also irrational. What are non-terminating? They will give you in the decimals form, then only we can identify that. So example, if you take 1.3, 1, 4, 2, 1, 5, 6, so on like this. This decimal is, you are not at all observing any digit repeating in this. Another one, some constant values. You know in the Proverbs 5 is taken as 22 by 7. So in the problem calculation we will use 22 by 7, but its decimal form is not ending. It will come a non-terminating non-repeating value. So this is also a irrational number.